Hi. Today I'm doing a rebuild, or not really a rebuild, but I'm starting at the beginning of Hoopland history with Milwaukee. I forget the name, the Spartans, and we're gonna do like a fantasy draft, and yeah, and I'm gonna try to make the weirdest team ever. Maybe if someone watches this video, I'll do I'll do career mode or commissioner mode or something. I don't know. But I play this game all the time, so I'm pretty good. I'm kind of overhyping myself. I should just be quiet. But then there's not really the only reason I really watch videos is because the noise, and I just play Hoopland while I watch. So that might just sound stupid because I'm stupid, but I'm not stupid. Actually, yeah, I'm stupid. I don't know. But yeah, let's see. TJ Marshall's actually kind of good. I love getting him and Skylar Murphy. If you play Hoopland, you know Drago goes off, bro. I wish I could get the first pick because this is 48-minute games, so Poland's gonna average. I've literally seen Poland strong average 100 points a game in another career, not a career mode, and I'm stupid. I don't know. If you hear screaming in the background, that's my. I don't know. This just. Don't worry. No one's dying. Yeah, someone's gonna call CPS on me or something. I don't know. Please don't no one's dying. Don't worry. I think that's just my little cousins. They're fine. They just scream a lot. We were playing Minecraft a few minutes ago, and bro, when they died, they would literally have the biggest crash outs in history of life. They punched their iPads, and they would scream like they were dying. I was for real about a tweak. But then I just realized a minute ago, I was like, wait, how do you record audio? Because I did make another video, a career mode one, but there's no audio because I'm dumb. But yeah, this dude, I made a version of this dude who is a 7-7 point guard in my commissioner league thing, my commissioner mode. But yeah, I'm just gonna auto pick. I got the moves like Drago. Wait, is that how you sing this? I don't know. I got the oh wait, I'm gonna get copyright. I don't know. I'm stupid. I got the moves like Drago. I got the moves like Drago. I got the moves like Drago. Oh baby, I'm definitely singing the song wrong. Oh baby doll, I can't move, when I can't move on, baby doll. I should be quiet because I'm dumb. Blah, 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 blah. Guys, if anyone watches this, because I feel maybe one person will watch this. If you do, that one person, who's your favorite NBA player? And who do you think is the best Hoopland player? Or who's your favorite? Because the best is obviously Poland. Or one of the first year draftees. If you know, you know, because they all become 5 stars. Especially Nathaniel Pope. That dude goes off in the sim after a few years. But, oh, no. No, it's already over, bro. We're actually mid, though. Bro, because I've played these games, but I know that I know that this dude has potential. I know this dude's good, and I know this dude's good. I got this dude as a coach after he retired, and he's actually gross. You know who's gross as a coach? DOS 20. This dude is like after he retires and becomes a coach, because he usually becomes a coach, he like I'm gonna trade Poland. I'm not getting him, but like I'm gonna try to get like I don't know. Also, I drafted in 1947 because that's the year the NBA came into existence. I have ball knowledge, bro. See? Ball knowledge. Yeah, I don't have ball knowledge. Okay, let's start the season. I might just like sim to All-Star break because it's just the first year. And then I might play the few games after. I think we'll probably be a top 10 team, hopefully. Maybe Snyder Drago will go off for us. Bro, this dude like always gets injured. In one sim, all the old heads like Darth Jarrell, Carlo, Poland, this dude, they all went to Boston, and Nathaniel Pope was also there, and they just like beat me in the playoffs and another thing for like 3 years in a row, and then they all just became insanely washed. Then I started whooping them. We got like the belts out and like the brooms, and we just like fried them. Who do we have in the All-Star? Yeah, what's this? That one's blah 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 blah. Yeah. Bro, Hoopland actually has to like nerf him. Like this is unfreaking fair. Where is Draco not in the conversation for him? Bro, this dude is not good, bro. He's just not good. That's totally why I'm not trading for. Oh my god. Are we finessing? Like, we'll gladly do that because if we're good, which we're not, then I'll just trade for the pick back. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I can get. Can I get? Man, wait. Let me finesse. Let me cook. Just kidding. Okay. Watch this finesse of the century. No. What did my eyes just witness? Wait, let me upgrade Thomas Schaffner. This dude's actually buns. I was gonna say another word. Booty. You know who's underrated that's probably here, but he's not here because I'm wrong. He's probably here somewhere. I don't know. Who's Rookie of the Year? Who's like, oh wait. Awards. Oh yeah, I forgot that he starts as a rookie. He's a 24-year-old rookie? That's kind of crazy. But I've seen him win MVP, like a championship, but all that stuff as a rookie. Yeah, rookie. I don't know why, but once I was like Boston, I did like a little thing. I did like a 4-minute, like 2-game league. And I was Boston. And then this dude's on Boston. He just went off, bro. Like, I would just pass it to him, and then I would just like. Beef Supreme is mad underrated. What if just kidding, bro. That was a joke. I got the moves like Jagger. I got the finesse job chest. I hate the like pick thing where like if you put picks from multiple years like in a row, then you're not allowed to do it. You used to be able to, and I would just spam like every pick in history, so then I could get like Poland. But now I can't do that. Should I try to get Fablo. I think that's his name. What is this dude's name though? King Flame? Yeah, I don't even know, but he's like pretty good actually. Why would he's what? Bugger. What if I give you that and like everything I got? Just give. I don't know. Wait, is Joey Bass good yet? Wait, he's on LA. Bro, sometimes LA, like some teams go off and like the. Wait, I'm actually about to finesse, bro. Because this dude, I've seen him become an MVP. Watch this. Why am I trading? I'll give you this dude. And I'll also give you this dude. I'll give you a pick and you're in the class. Okay, I'm just gonna. Yeah, I don't really want to. 200 points is actually like insane. But, yeah, I guess I'll. This, like, it takes a while, so. You can probably hear me doing that. I'm playing on iPad. I'm not an iPad kid. I'm an iPad kid, aren't I? Maybe I'll play 82 now, because I do play 82 now. Maybe in another video if people actually watch. If I get like if I get 3 likes, I'll continue this series. I'll do 82 now, and I'll do a career mode. But I'm not going to do the entire like franchise mode in one thing. I'm probably going to make a few parts if people like it. Or if someone actually watches it. Which I doubt someone will. Imagine like someone makes shorts about me and they're like, oh, this dude sucks. They're not lying. They're not like wrong, but like. I literally have one like on my other video, and that's from myself. Embarrassing. You know what? I'll give the people what they don't want. I'll play for 8 minutes. A waste of everyone's time because we're probably still gonna lose. Oh, dang. Oh, wait, no. I forgot it's not the. Oh, my God. It's like the player, like player percentage shooting thingamajig. Yeah, I'm not gonna shoot threes then. Bro, what the fa-la-la? How? Okay. Okay, that's wide open. What are we talking about? I'm actually gross at like the timing thing. I want to try to, if I do a career mode, I'm going to make it like invisible, but I'm still going to do the timing thing, and I'm going to see if I can score. Because I don't want to be like a weirdo and just like do normal timing thing. I only do that for my private career modes. So then I can average 90 points a game. But I feel like if I was pulling and I played like in a 40-minute game or whatever, a 48-minute game, I could definitely drop 300. Like, you think I'm kidding, but or like you think I'm lying, but I'm literally so serious. I could easily shoot 100 threes in 48 minutes. Especially with the pace at what it's at. Because I think, wait, I don't know what I did. I might have put the pace at +5. But yeah, for some reason the games, like, they score like 200 points, even though they should not. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think that's Maz Ramana. I don't know. I definitely just butchered that. I know I butchered that name. Green bean. Oh, it landed on the E. Should I truck up a half-court shot? Full court. Green bean. Green. That's green. No. Okay, I just got to score 9 billion points. Papa J! James! I sound like a 2-year-old, bro. Black Bat James! If he misses, I quit. I'm quitting YouTube, guys. You know those videos where they're like, I'm quitting YouTube? And then, they're like, didn't Kyson out, like, quit streaming and then came back on, like, YouTube? I don't know. I might be stupid. But, like, YouTubers just do that. They say, like, I'm gonna quit, and then they don't quit. They just do it for, like, likes. And sometimes they do quit, but then they come back, like, a while later. Sometimes on other platforms. Like, I think what Kyson did. Or I might just be dumb. Tell me if I'm dumb. Actually, don't. I'm a little kid. Don't tell me if I'm dumb. You're dumb poop. I'm not gonna swear. This is family friendly. Bro, yeah, he made a shot. Did he? I didn't know he. Wait, he's a point guard. Yeah, he's a shooter. But I don't know. I have one white guy on my team. That's all I gotta say. Or one white line in the lineup right now. It's Thomas Schaffner. That I did not mean to foul, bro. I got the moves like Jagger. I got the moves like Jagger. In the kitchen. Sorry. Holden. Sorry. Now I'm gonna get like, I don't know. Someone's gonna like find out where I live, and they're gonna find out my family, and so. Oh, fuck. Goldfish is not a good idea. How did you miss? How do you miss a wide open layup? Blocked by James. Blocked by James. I got the moves like Jagger. No way. Oh, my God. My other video, if one person watched it. Oh wait, that was me.
Holden?
I got the moves like Jagger. I got the moves like Jagger. Who's your guys' favorite singer or band? Mine is not Maroon 5, who I think made that song. But they're good. My favorite singer is like probably just Michael Jackson. That's like basic, but he's the GOAT. How this dude cannot shoot? No. If he misses again, okay. Making my way to Chicago, and then she looked at me. I don't know the lyrics, but I'm gonna sing. There was a big guy, his name was Jimmy Job. He was unemployed. Blah 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 blah. Billie Jean is not my lover. She's just a girl. Thinks that I am the one. But the kid is not my son. He. Oh, hell no. Wait. He. What the fuck? I think that was good. Yeah, totally. Bro. Thomas Schaffner cannot shoot on up to for tall dude named Jimmy Job, who is unemployed. He averages 1 point a game. I feel like now Jimmy Job's gonna like exist, and I'm gonna get sued. Make a shot, Schaffner. Schottner. I'm gonna change his name. Once I change Poland Strong's name to Stinky Strong. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up. I feel like Hoopland, like people who play Hoopland are gonna come in and gonna be like, Poland strong is my sunshine. I was looking at this video, not the video. I was just looking at Reddit. I'm not a Reddit mod. I'm not 100 pounds. Or like 500 pounds or whatever. I was looking at Reddit, like the Hoopland Reddit. I wanted to get Discord, but for some reason, it like didn't allow me to because Discord's dumb. No offense, Discord. Just mean. But, so I was looking at it, and there's this like thing about Poland, and it was like a cult thing, I think. Or maybe I'm dumb. I just saw a thing about him being like the leader of a cult. Yeah. We're not gonna talk about that. Making my way to Chicago, when then I'm gonna shut up. Make a shot, make a shot, make a shot, make a shot, make a shot. Shut. Oh my god, I'm gonna shut up. Green bean. Making my way to Chicago. And no, just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Oh, the go be. Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Snickers. Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Skittles. Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? Annie, are you okay? M&M's. What am I doing? Have you seen that Family Guy thing? It's like, Annie, are you okay? Like, there's a person in the hospital, and, like, Lewis is like, Annie, are you okay? Annie, are you okay? And then, like, Brian's like, what happened to her? And then Lewis is like, she got hit by, she got struck by a smooth criminal. I'm just gonna... Bought by LeBron James. Beefy Braun. Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, that was okay. I didn't think I was gonna make that, but like, you know, I'm good at this game. I'm just like that. Like, can't stop me, bro. Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Yeah, I'm simming the rest of the season. Bro, this dude is actually... Oh God, bro. Ah! If you want to know why my background is orange, well, I made it orange. There's no, like, weird secret behind it. It's just orange.
He was very, very skinny.
Beef Supreme. Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? I'm gonna shut up. I'm never gonna do that again. I'm sorry, Michael Jackson fans. My granny, she got hit by a bazooka. My granny, my bazooka. I hit her in the face with my bazooka. She did not blow up. I don't know. Biggie, are you okay? Are you okay, Biggie? Are you okay? I got struck by a smooth criminal. A little attack. You know I'm bad. I'm bad. Come on, I don't know the rest of the lyrics. I'm bad. I'm bad. Come on, I need to shut up. I should make a series where I try to sing songs that I don't know by like the title. How many songs do you think I can play on my Spotify playlist without a Michael Jackson song showing up? I think maybe 2, possibly 3 if I'm lucky. And are you okay? Are you okay? I need to actually be quiet, bro. That was very uncalled for. Who did that? Have you seen those streams where like the streamer acts like a teacher and everyone like swears and they're like, "Frick you, mother flabber." Family friendly. Remember, this is family friendly. That's why I'm asking Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? Did you know the reason he says, Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? Is because, like, they did, like, CPR training. Or he did it. I don't remember when. Might have just been before, like, he made the song or something. I don't know. But, and they had to say, like, the dummy or whatever it's called. It's like its name is Annie. And they have to say, Annie, are you okay? Yeah. Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? Annie, are you okay? I'm gonna start the playoffs. And it's 17. It's 17. 7-game series. I don't know. So we're up. Ooh, the games are close. Chicago. Making my way to Chicago. When she looked 86 points from Rajasha Rose. Damn Rajasha. I actually don't know how to pronounce his name. Not trying to be mean. Sorry, Raj. I don't know how to say your name. I need to get Mand away. I don't. Yeah, Mand away. I don't know. Bro, he's like just a really good contributor. He might not score a lot of points, but he'll get every rebound, as you might have just saw. I'll sim this game. I'm gonna take a nap. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna take another. I'm gonna go on vacation. I'll be right back. That wasn't me. Okay, I'm back from vacation. Just kidding. Am I annoying? I'm on vacation. Blah blah blah. So the one person who might watch. What is your favorite show? Movie, animal, color, number, letter, basketball player, as I already asked, hoopland player, who do you think is the best basketball player ever, and what's your favorite Michael Jackson song? And do you like Michael Jackson? If you say no, then I'm probably going to ban you. Just kidding. People can have opinions. I don't care. Just don't say bad things about people, you know? Like, you don't have to like someone, but you don't have to really be mean to them. Making my way to Chicago, and we're making a 3-1 comeback. Alright, just let me cook. I said, let him cook, okay? Let him cook. Wait, no, I'm not gonna cook. Just, no. If he misses both, I'm going for the layup. Like, Yeah, I'm still going for the layup, bro. Then I'm gonna foul. Then I'm gonna go for a layup again. Then I'm gonna foul. I don't know. What if I just easy lay, easy lay, easy lay on your head, blob blob. I think I haven't scored so far, so it's still very family friendly. No, get him. Attack, 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 attack. Oh my god, Mandaway all the way. I think that's a real person. Mandaway all the way just actually sold their clip. That might sell, but easy lay on your head, booty snatcher. They're gonna somehow make a Hail Mary, bro. My god. If this dude makes the freaking free throws. Okay, that's the game. Get out of Milwaukee! Get out of here! Yeah, y'all can't do anything. I wish the sim was faster, but I'm gonna have to wait another very fast 48 minutes, even though it's not very fast. So they have Jason Garcia. I think his name is Raja. I don't know. I'm gonna call him Raj, like the Big Bang Theory character. Rio Chambers, I'm gonna say. Now Joggaloo. So now they have Garcia, Shaw, Young, Uzumaki, and Mandaway all the way. Mano. I'm gonna call him Mano. My goal is to try to get 100 championships. Yeah. Just kidding. Maybe like 50. Because I'm gonna try to do this over 100 years, and so I have to make half of them. I have to win half of them. Oh, wait, we're actually fried. I want to hop in, but yeah, it's this game. Unless somehow, where we switch scores. I wish I could force the win. Just kidding, that would be boring. But I would still do it. I'm kidding. But I'm not. Making my way to Chicago when then I quit. Just kidding. Oh my god, you bomb, bro. You bomb! Imagine Chicago got far. Just imagine that. That would be so funny. So, Chicago lost. Chicago lost again. Chicago lost again. Chicago won. Imagine Chicago made a 3-0 comeback. Okay, this is my slider or whatever.
Looking for my glasses on.
Making my way to Chicago. And then she looked at me. I don't like shooting fouls. They're just dumb. Yeah. I'm gonna wait. I can withdraw. Oh, get out of here! No, just kidding. What if because if I get a 10th pick or 15th pick, Melvin Nelson actually becomes good. But I want a player freaking. A lot of these players are 4.5 star, 5 star. Some of them just become insane, but I think all of them basically are 4 star plus. I'll accept your option. Accept your option. I'll also accept your option. Accept. Accept. Who's retiring, bro? Yes! Yes! I'm not retiring your number. Get out of here. Yeah, we probably need a new coach also. What if we hire that guy who just... Wait. Is my goat here? Clifford. Welcome to Milwaukee, Clifford. Get out of here, Jamie. Welcome to Milwaukee. We're happy to have you. We are happy to have you here. We are literally so happy to have you here. Is Pippi retired yet? Wait, no, Pippi's on my team. Making my way to Chicago. When then she... What if I just... Wait, can I check? Tobias, Monte Ice. I'll probably pick him up on a 4-year.
I see a pickle.
No way, we got the second pick. We went up 7 and we traded our... No way, bro. I'll gladly give you TJ. What the fuck? Maybe this isn't kid-friendly, bro. What the flap? I think if we get this, we won't need that one next year. So, I don't care. Welcome to the team. Where the hell is he? Is he like... No way. Is he... No. Nathaniel. N. Where's the N? Nath and y'all. What the flab? No way, bro. Did I? What do I need? I do need a guard and I do need a forward. So that is why I've decided that I am gonna draft Don Bulcock. And then I'm also going to draft no one. Wait. No, Eddie. No, I'm getting him. If you know, you know. But Melvin, listen. Alright, Eddie, I'm getting you. Don't worry, Eddie. I got you, bro. I got a plan. So Eddie's gross. I've had his brother before, Aaron. The Ford brothers. Had them on the same team. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh yeah. Ford. Aaron Ford. Yeah, bro, is gross. Should I try to get both of them? Tyler Jones. Maybe let me scout him. Then Eddie, welcome, bro. I don't care what I have to trade for you. Holy finesse of the century. LA, you just sold everything, bro. Welcome to the team, Eddie Ford. All around playmaker, bro. Oh, gross. Shit. Also, when he's like walking. I said Ford and. Probably after this season or the next season, I'm gonna end this for the day and then come back tomorrow. Because I need to go to bed. Making my way to Chicago. I forget if he's a 5, right? Yeah. Should I do it? Well, guess what? Well, yeah, I can't wait. Oh my god, bro. If I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to trade by All-Star. But still, maybe. So here's my number. So go me, baby. Stop getting. Pippi probably also got injured, bro. I sound like a little monster. Yeah, we'll keep you around. Like a C MVP level. How is this? He's averaging like a lot of points, you know? This dude. We got this dude. It's the ACL. That's it. No All-Stars. Oh my god, he's back. Shut up. You know, I'm gonna upgrade the players. So let's do that. So then now he actually has some defense. Oh, my foot. I just broke my foot. Oh, it's about to blow. Do 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 do. Do you know that guy who has that name? Oh, I'm gonna tell the best joke of it ever. So there's this guy, he lost his left arm and his left leg. Afterwards, he was alright. That's a knee slapper. See? Knee slapper. So funny. This is about to blow. Well, I need to see how many minutes everyone is playing. So then someone's getting fired. Why isn't he playing? Oh, W. This place is literally about to blow. Give this man more money. Just kidding. I would never give him more money. I'm not kidding. I do not kid around about stuff like that. I think we're a top team in the league, bro. So that take the potato away. Doesn't matter anymore. I need to shut the heck up. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm a casual. Let's see everyone's minute. Someone is getting freaking fire. Whoa. I'll give you 40 minutes. Of course, bro. Like, you're my guy. Just kidding, you're getting 34 minutes. You shall get 20. And then you. That's my man. So, this is the part where I got to say no. Gotta say no to that right now. This guy. Come with Schaffner. So Dawn still gets minutes. I'm not a boy. You are booty. And that's my life. I don't like booty, but you do. And that's my life. Okay, now time to figure out the bench minutes. Yeah. I guess. Like. I love beef supreme. But we could do. This is a gross looking team for the playoffs. Yeah, it's not. I don't even think we're going to the playoffs. I'm not looking. I don't want to spoil on what our record is, so I'm putting a pillow over it. Can now train. You have her injured. Bro, why is this dude always getting injured? Concern use. So we did absolute minima. Yeah. So yes, we got a terrible team, so we're good. So, no, we're not a terrible team. Damn. That's what I mean. Am I still filming? Okay, that's good. Imagine I was talking to myself for like an hour. That would be sad. Oh my god, water. Eddie Ford is getting his experience. Same with Don Bullock. Oh, it says Bullock, but it's Bullock. Maybe this isn't family friendly, my bad. I don't know. I thought it was like his name. Bullock is his name. I've been pronouncing him for like a year, maybe two. For like the 1960 season, if I make it that far, I'm gonna make like a draft with like 20 Hall of Fame level players, or like 30, so then I'm automatically gonna get one. And then I'm gonna put it in, and then I'm gonna like let it cook. Let him cook. Let him cook. Bro. Let him cook. Let him cook. Let him cook. let me cook. There's like based on my pillow that you can't see. There is like pillow stuff in my mouth. But go faster. Eddie Ford. That's probably a real person. I need to get a Ford. How? I don't know how to check how long this is while doing. I want to press the button so bad. But then AOLN. And then I'll be like depressed. I'm gonna hop in and play at the end. Because we're probably gonna. I'm jinxing it so bad. Wait, I lost my cap. Okay. Okay. I bet the one person watching this, who's not actually watching this, doesn't know what I'm talking about. No, bro. That's actually stupid. Bro, why does the team hate us? What the flapper gapper? Oh my god, Eddie, bro. Get a 3-point shot. I don't know what to tell you. Mom. Like you damn Oompa Loompa. Oompa, Loompa, Loompa, dee doo. I got a bad feeling about you. Oompa Loompa, Loompa dee doo. I got a bad feeling about you. If Oompa Loompa song was a rap, this would be like Oompa Loompa, Loompa dee doo. I got a bad feeling about you. I can't swear, so I can't say what it would actually probably be, but it would be like Oompa Loompa, Loompa dee doo. You are ugly and I hate you. Not like you're ugly and I hate you, but that's what the song would be. Yeah, after the season, going to the 49 season, I'm gonna pause. Continue tomorrow. Hopefully not lose Eddie. I'm not in the playoffs. Shit. Shouldn't really. Yeah, I'm just gonna say shit. Yeah, family friendly is out the window. Wait, are we like actually out? What the bomb? Like, I guess so. Why is Tyler Gionzo's over here? Put him with freaking Eddie starting. I'm okay. You're cursing out, not me. Yeah, after this, I'm done. So, 34, Eddie, 34, using my goat. 34, 34, 30 gets 44, Don gets 44, 34. I almost actually gave him the 44. 24. Just. Reach bit, bro. happy you're getting minutes, guys. Be happy. Don't be so freaking depressed. Just be happy. I should be playing you 0 dang minutes. Some poo. Because I'm happy, clap along. Yeah, the Airmen are champions. That's cool. Yeah, 500 million salary can't be there. Feel like it. Yeah. That's a problem for another day. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope that one person who watches this likes it. So, goodbye. Beep, beep.